We'll solve the equation 3 times the quantity x plus 2 equals 27. Now we have a product on the left-hand side, and the first step will be to do this multiplication. Using the distributive law, we know that 3 times the quantity x plus 2 is 3 times x, or 3x, plus 3 times 2, which is 6, and this is equal to 27. Now the next thing I want to do is to subtract 6 on both sides of the equation to get 3x alone on the left-hand side. So we'll write 3x plus 6 minus 6 equals 27 minus 6. On the left-hand side, I'm left with 3x plus 0, or 3x. And on the right, 27 minus 6 is 21. Now if I divide both sides by 3, I'll have x alone on the left-hand side. So let's do that. 3x divided by 3 equals 21 divided by 3. That leaves me with x on the left-hand side, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So we say the solution is 7.